How to delete images in Grok Imagine. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grok AI on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on Imagine at the top. After you click on Imagine at the top, you will find this kind of screen. To remove the picture, what you can do is simply click on the picture that you want to remove. You'll find all these images here. Click on the heart icon to remove. Press on delete. You can repeat the process for all the images you want to delete. Simply click on the heart icon and then press on delete. And this is how to delete images in Grok Imagine. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.